Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to screen record on iPhone Air. Okay, so if you want to screen record on your iPhone Air, it's gonna be pretty simple. So just slide down from the top of your screen, from the right top part of the screen, to see this, the control center. Now, if you already have the button, this circle within a circle, you can click on it and start recording. But if you don't have this button, feel free to just click on plus in top left corner, then add a control at the bottom. Okay, I failed. And now find screen recording. Tap on it and it's added. I already have one, so I'm gonna just remove it. You can always also resize it if you want. Now let's click anywhere to exit the editing mode. Now let's tap on screen recording, and you can see it started countdown from 3, and now it has started recording. So whatever I do will be recorded. If I want to finish, I can tap and then tap again. Tap on the dynamic island, then tap on the pause button or stop button, and it's saved in my photos. But now, before we see it in the photos, let's slide down again, because I'm gonna show you something. Let's slide down from the right top part, press and hold on screen recording, and now you can turn on your microphone so you can also record what you're saying. Now let's start recording. It's countdown from 3 again, and now whatever I do will also get recorded. You can see this little dot appears. This dot means that my microphone is also being recorded. Now when I stop recording, it's gonna be saved. So let's go to photos, and now you can see that it is saved here. And that will be about it about screen recording. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.